Hello.
Ready?
Hello, folks. How are we doing?
Yes.
Yes, my name is Luigi Copper. I'll do quick two pieces, but the first one needs a bit of help. If I point to you individually, I want you to say or shout or whisper the word no. Perfect. Excellent. Nice head shake as well. Thank you. If I do this, can you all collectively, especially people at the back, whisper the word maybe?
Maybe.
Spooky. Thank you. And if I do this, can you shout out the opposite of no?
Yes.
Excellent. I haven't put my hands up yet. Wait.
Yes.
Excellent. This is called the origins of the word.
Yes.
In the beginning, the word was. The word came from nowhere. The word came from nothing. Was the way.
No.
Was it.
No.
Was all. There was nothing. Naught. Zero. Absence. Whatever the Latin for is. Let alone anything. Simply, sublimely, limitlessly. However, trying to spell itself, cracked, doubted itself, and then came into being. Was never quite sure of itself. Was definitely not, but was certainly not anything defined. Was a delay. Was desperate. Was hiding a half-empty lighter in a half-full pocket, and was always in the shadow of one night in Finchley Park, but in the twilight, and met, and saw something to cancel out in one another, and shook hands. Can you find someone you don't know and shake their hand? Introduce yourself to someone you don't know. Tell them how beautiful they are. Ask them what they're doing later. You might get lucky. Who knows? No one maybe met, shook hands, and created out of their own doubtful negativity the word.
Yes.
The idea of.
Yes.
The concept of.
Yes.
And then, my children, suddenly anything seemed possible. All from the word.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I will read a short poem from my debut poetry collection. Thank you very much. And me. From Broken Stick Books. It is called A Bird on a String. It is illustrated. You have 5 seconds to look at the image and then you need to pass it on. 1, 2, 3. A bird on a string. Wild wings whip against the light, knotted tight in a bind designed, strung up spasm black and grey, its feathers catch and strain and fray. It twists its neck to scan the sky as claws clutch air, too warm, too dry. It gasps for life, not hung mid-flight. It is wrenched, earthed, a tangled kite. Narrow shadows of split-end snare meet. Tethered hymn and strangled prayer. Its wings are not taut. The string is taut. As clear skies fill with freer wings. I've been Luigi Coppola. Thank you so much for listening. You have 3 gifts on the table, time jar, blah, blah. Thank you so much, Luigi, for a lovely evening. I'll shut up. Goodbye. Cheers, thank you. No, thank you.
Great. If you were not awake for the first 2 weeks, you are now. You're welcome.